In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change image zoom in Shopify. To get started, sign into your Shopify admin. In the left-hand navigation, go to Online Store, then select Themes. This is where Shopify lists all the themes you have installed, including the one that is currently live on your store. Next to your active theme, click the Customize button. This opens the theme editor, which is where you control how your store looks and behaves, including how product images zoom when customers interact with them. Once the editor loads, go to the drop-down menu at the top of the screen. This menu lets you preview and edit different parts of your store. Open it, then choose Products and select Default Product. This makes sure you are editing the image zoom settings for your standard product page template, which is typically what most products use unless you have custom templates. Now look to the left-hand sidebar in the theme editor. Find the section labeled Product Information. On some themes, this may be called Product Pages. Click into that section so you can see the settings related to your product page layout and media behavior. Within these settings, look for an option called Image Zoom. Themes vary slightly, but this setting is usually easy to spot. When you find it, choose the zoom behavior that best fits your store. If you select Open Lightbox, your product image will open in a larger, full-screen style pop-up when a customer clicks it. This is a clean option when you want shoppers to focus on the image without distractions. If you select Click and Hover, the image will zoom in as the customer moves their mouse over it. This is useful for detailed products where customers want to inspect textures or small features quickly. If you choose No Zoom, the zoom feature is disabled entirely, which can create a simpler browsing experience. After you make your selection, click Save. Always save before leaving the editor so your changes go live. If you want, preview the product page in the editor to confirm the zoom behavior feels right. That covers everything you need to know.